Carbon neutrality policies have been announced in major countries around the world. Oriental Motor is focused on helping succeed with this challenge. We are striving to be more environmentally friendly than ever. Oriental Motor is dedicated to saving energy and resources anywhere automation is required. Carbon neutrality is the balance between the emission and absorption of CO2 and other greenhouse gases. Oriental Motor has set targets and is working to address these global challenges. We aim to reduce CO2 emissions by 50% compared to fiscal 2013 by 2030 and zero by 2050. Greenhouse gases are emitted from the entire flow of all business activities. In order to reduce CO2 emissions, we all need to consider our entire businesses. Electric motors are used as a drive source in a variety of automation equipment, including production lines and logistics. It is important to reduce CO2 emissions from electric motors. Electric motor applications take up 53% of all electricity consumed. It is important to focus on improving efficiency in motor use where we can. There are several ways to reduce CO2 emissions. Consider investing in the use of energy-saving products to reduce the amount of electricity used each day. Use compact and efficient long-life products to save resources and reduce CO2 emissions during production and transportation. Our products can be used to save energy and resources for all types of motion control applications. For example, transportation conveyors use high-efficiency brushless motors with built-in permanent magnets to reduce CO2 emissions. On top of their efficiency, Oriental Motor's brushless motors offer machine designers space savings, which contribute to equipment downsizing and resource savings based on their design. To reduce CO2 emissions in control cabinets, consider using low-power consumption brushless motor-based axial flow fans. By using a thermostat to sense when it's time to cool, cooling can be performed when needed, thus reducing the overall power consumption in the cabinet. When using a thermostat to sense when it's time to cool, a significant amount of energy can be saved along with the reduction of CO2. A common application and good example of the use for high-torque stepper motors is in monitoring cameras. By reducing the current level used by the high-torque stepper motor to match the same torque output as a conventional stepper motor, CO2 emissions can be reduced through less energy consumption. Here we see the CO2 savings by using a high-torque stepper motor versus a conventional stepper motor. By lowering the operation current, it also allows the motor to run cooler, reducing the temperature rise of the motor, resulting in extending the life of the motor and in additional long-term savings. In summary, by using a high-torque stepper motor, by lowering the current, less CO2 is created, less heat is generated, and the life of the application can be extended. For positioning applications that use multiple units, such as robots, the latest Alpha Step drivers can be used, saving space through their compact and lightweight design. By using the Alpha Step AZ series mini drivers, in addition, they contribute to the overall CO2 saving by using less materials in construction and saving energy in transportation by being lightweight. The Alpha Step family of products is supported by a common motor technology, allowing the mini driver to be a standard driver for many motion control types, including linear and rotary actuators, grippers, and more. Oriental Motor is committed to helping our customers save energy and resources to achieve carbon neutrality. We look forward to supporting your carbon neutrality initiatives.